I'm Dr. Eisenbrown. I am actually trained as a urologist, but I am taking a huge leap and starting a medical spa. I met Dory about a year ago at another conference, and I heard about what she was doing here, and I was extremely intrigued with what she was doing, so I decided to come and get her training because I'm not even open yet. I don't know a single thing about a spa, and I am so glad that I came. These 3 days have been so packed with information that I didn't even know I didn't know. So I know I'm going to be able to start out successful. If you have a spa or you're thinking about owning a spa, I highly recommend you come and get this training. You will not regret it, I promise you.